We're here today at the City of Tallahassee's Community Beautification and Waste Management's biannual Cash for Trash event. This time of year is synonymous with spring cleaning. It allows our customers an opportunity to get rid of a lot of the clutter that might have been in their garages and sheds. Those are items that may be too big to fit into their garbage containers, or hazardous materials such as paints, solvents, cleaners, and even tires. They can bring those items here. We can dispose of them properly, so it helps keep our environment cleaner. With this event, any City of Tallahassee customer with a utility bill and an active garbage account will receive a $5 rebate on their utility bill.
I've been coming to Cash for Trash for several years now. Gives me a chance to bring, stuff that I can't put in the garbage can or it's too large, and plus they can recycle it and get the revenue out of it.
For anyone that missed this event today, please be sure to come out the third Saturday of October. You can get more about this event if you go to talgov.com.